Like for most flights with India 76, it all starts early in the morning in Milan. There has been some delay due to unscheduled maintenance, but thankfully I managed to fix everything. So we are ready to kick off some important flight tests. The end goal is to prepare for Montadria, the youngest and nicest seaplane convention in Europe, held in Montenegro. The central hours of the day are always windy in this valley. We take off in a gusty wind of around 10-15 knots. Over Lake Maggiore, the waves are strong. I perform a couple of splash and go and head to Calcinate, a private airport home to one of the most famous gliders clubs in the country.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
The view is wonderful. The runway is oriented directly towards the Massif of Monte Rosa, and the club is just amazing. Would love to stay longer, but time is against us if we wish to make it back in flyable conditions.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Few places offer views like these ones.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh.
bring India 76 to the start of the valley, and the air is already very turbulent. Landing here is normally a challenge.
Allora com'è andata?
Italiano e inglese.
Quello che vuoi. Adesso faccio anche in italiano visto che siamo italiani. Grandissima missione.
Gran volo, grandissima missione, completa, calcinata del pesce, atterraggio in erba, decollo in asfalto e il solito standard megolo con i nostri 15-17 nodi.
Megolo standard operating procedures.
Oggi il bingo si è comportato benissimo, non possiamo lamentarci
Assolutamente, è stata una gran cosa, devo dire.
e continuiamo ad allenarci per il nostro obiettivo
Il
festivo.
prossimo grande evento ovviamente è Montadria, quindi dobbiamo prepararci e essere assolutamente perfetti per quello. Oggi abbiamo fatto un gran lavoro sul bingo, abbiamo dato un bel controllo approfondito e poi il volo si è comportato egregiamente, per cui anche con salite un po' sostenute, un po' lunghe, comunque temperature perfette, assolutamente nella norma.
Tired but happy, I have images in my head that only this kind of adventures can bring. I share them with you.